Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have some basic lipstick hack for you guys. If you are all interested, then let's get started. So hack number 1 is before applying lipstick, use lip balm and then brush your lips to exfoliate your lips and then clean it from tissue paper. Now for making my lips more even, I am using little bit of concealer on my lips and then mix it well. After that you can apply lipstick. Now next hack is if you find any uneven line after applying lipstick, then take a small amount of concealer and clean those lines by using earbud like so. Now next hack is for making lower lip more even. Take a small amount of concealer on earbud and spread it well below the lip. So the next hack is all about mattifying your lipstick by just placing tissue paper over your lip and blotting powder over your lips. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you will find this video helpful. If you like my video, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.